Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you one very good and special product which is from Linkface, and the product is torchlight. But you can see in front of me there are two boxes here. I will show you. One is here, it's written multifunctional combination flashlight, and this one multifunctional combination hammer flashlight. Actually these two products are almost same, just a little bit difference. So now I'm going to open the box. I will show you one box and then you can understand. First, when I open this one, first you can get one user manual here. So before using this one, you can read this one very carefully, because if you read this one, then you will get a lot of idea about this product, and it will be good and safe to use, how to use this one. Okay, so here is the main product is here. I'm going to show you. This is actually our main product, that is torchlight. Okay, so this torchlight, I will tell you the function, every function here, how to use this one, and what is, you can see the torchlight actually. So step by step I'm going to tell everything about this one. And before telling this one, you can find some box here, and in the box you can see some three more function here, so you can use this function. Okay, and also one thing, that is one cable here, USB cable. I'm going to open this one, then you guys can understand. This is one thing here, and this is one. This is actually sirens, and this is speaker. This is sirens, sorry, this is sirens, and this is one lighter. Okay, now I'm going to tell you. First of all, if you check this one, actually the design is really good, and I like this design, and the light is very, not so much heavy, this one. So anyone, if you want to use this one inside, indoor and outdoor, you can use this one, because this is very, suppose some people like to go outside for traveling and any side, but you can use this one. So actually, and it's very easy to carry. That is also one plus point. So okay, so first, that is because this is torchlight. First I will tell you about the torchlight. You can see this is the torchlight. Okay, so you can see the light. I think the light here actually is really good. In the dark side you can use this one, and I think there will be no problem to see anything here. And if you press one more time, then you can get a little bit brighter light. So this brighter light also you can use this one. And this is for short press. If you press short, then you will get this light. And third times, this is for off. And if you press here long press, okay, if you press here long press, I'm pressing long press, and you can see there is one light here, that is actually infrared light. And this infrared light you can use on the desk, and you can do something if you want to do. And also if you press long press here, then the light will be bright more. And press another, there is one warning light. You can find this light also, you can use this one. Suppose if you want to warn something, then you can hold like this, so it will be really good for you. Actually, before time I told you, this light, actually this torchlight is really amazing. Personally I like this one. And this is also if you press one more time, then you can find this light. And this light also you can use at your room, inside or outside, if you want to use. Long press, if you press long, then it will be off. So this is the function for the light. And this is actually okay, I will tell about this one later. And you can see here, there is, you can connect this USB cable to charge something, suppose your mobile phone or something like this. Or if you want to charge this one, then also you can use this one. If you want to charge this torchlight, then also you can use the output and also input function is here, so you can use this one. That is also good. And on the other hand, this is, I'm going to tell you, this is, you can see this is a small hammer here. So this hammer actually you can use for to break the glass. If you want to break the glass, then you can use this hammer. And there is also one magnet here, so if you want to stuck this torchlight in any place, in any iron, where I have iron, then you can use this one. Also you can stuck, you can hold this one. And over here, if you check very, actually right now you cannot see, but if this product is in your hand, then you can check this one. There is one small knife here, so this knife you can also use to cut something such as seat belt. If you have any problem with your seat belt, then you can use this cutter, and you can cut the seat belt. And right now there is the, now I'm talking, now I will talk about this part, because this part you can use four things, because right now already is attached here. This is actually compass, so you can attach here one compass, so you can use here one compass. And this is for one light. If you want to use this one, also you can use this one. Just there is two buttons, one is for power button and other is that is. So this ignition light, you can use this one. There is one power button. If you press power button, and there is also one button, so if you press here, I don't know you can see or not, there is little bit here, if you see, then I think you can use this one also for lighting. Also this is one for siren. There are four kinds of sound here. So this siren also you can use if you need, or if you have emergency time, you can use this one. And the last person, the last part, this is actually one speaker, Bluetooth speaker. Also this one also connected, you can connect with FM, so you can connect your Bluetooth. After Bluetooth you can on this one, after power on, then connect with Bluetooth. After Bluetooth, then you just play music, or if you want to listen something, then you can also use for FM. Actually this is my product. So actually this product and this product actually almost same, just one difference I will show you right now. The one thing I did not tell you, because this almost same, the size actually almost same. This portion is for solar, and this portion you can charge it manually, because the function is here. What is this? How can you use this one? You can open this one just like this. After then you just do this one, then it will be charged by itself, so it will be really good. So anyone, you can use this one, because there's only one difference between these two torchlight, that is the torch at the solar part, and this is you can charge by manually. So actually from my idea, this Linkface, the company, I mean the brand, they really make a good torchlight. And personally I like this torchlight. This torchlight is not so much heavy, and you can use for a lot of purpose, and they have a lot of function here. So as far as I know, that this torchlight, I mean this multi-function torchlight, this is the first time in the market are going to launch. Actually this product will launch within short time, as soon as possible. I mean this product is coming soon. Actually within 1 week this product will come. So I hope if you buy this product, or if you use this product, of course you will going to like this product. So next time if I have any other product, of course I will introduce you again. So this is it today. Thank you so much and have a good time.